Artwork.
I'm an artist.
Wow. What's this called? What?
A plant.
Okay.
I named it. Do you know that I named it?
Tell me.
A life plant that helps people. And
Wow.
for cooking. And for healthy.
Wow. Wow.
And for planting.
Wow. This is amazing. Great artwork. Great artwork. Wow, this is great. This is unique. One of its kind. The only one in the whole world. This is excellent artwork.
Do you know what I can draw next?
Wow. What can you draw next?
I can draw this everywhere.
Wow. Wow. This is amazing. This is the artwork from my son, Chidalu Odinaka. Wow. He's just 8 years old and he's doing amazing artwork. 100% natural.
When I was 7, I can only do small. I can only draw something.
Wow.
But I want to draw a jet.
Wow. Alright guys. Let's make this into an NFT. Cheers. Stay awesome. Be blessed.